here's how to hide apps on mobile. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to go to your Play Store app. Now here you have to search for the Microsoft Launcher app, and once you click on it, now from here you have to download exact this app. Once the app is installed, now you have to click on the open button to run the app. Now you have to click on the get started button, and after that you have to allow all the permission the app asks for. After that, here at this interface you have to click on the continue button. Now it will show you this message. Click on the let's go option, and here all the settings have been done. Now at this interface, here you have to click on the three dots and then click on the settings option. When you click on the settings option, now at this page you will see this option hide apps. Once you click on this option, now it will ask you to open it via these two options. For now, I'm gonna select the system UI option and then click on the just once option. Here you will see all the apps in your mobile. Now you have to click on the apps you want to hide. Once you click on the apps, now your apps will be hidden from the main screen. Even you can use Microsoft Launcher to hide apps. So this is how you can hide social media apps.